Welcome to the first episode of how to build a wind turbine. Here we can see an LG direct drive washing machine which does have a worn bearing in the drum, and how to determine if the bearing is too much worn. You have to open it and then put your hand inside and then lift the drum. You can hear the sound. This will be an example of how to demolish this kind of a washing machine. So let's start. Okay, how to remove the front door. Open it. And then we need to remove these screws that will hold the door. There's one metal part inside. It will drop there somewhere when you take this away. Oh my goodness. And then this door latch. Same thing here. There's this electric switch inside, and that will be needed to drop down somewhere there. And then, of course, how to remove the front rubber, this thing somewhere down here. We need to open this kind of a spring away so that we can take the rubber away. But that will be very hard task. Okay, the next thing will be to lift this drum away from the machine. It might be a little bit complicated to take those plastic bolts away, so I will need to use some violence. That's the first bolt, first one, and then how to take it away. It needs to be taken downwards. How the hell? Now, I don't like this. And again, how shall I remove this drum from the body? You have already seen that I'm sometimes a little bit cruel guy, so I will need to just remove these springs. That's the way. And then the other one, it's got to stay there. How can that one be taken away? There should be some method in removing these springs. But I think that violence is again the correct answer. When you don't know how to do it, use power. Isn't that the correct answer? And because I don't know, I have to use violence and power. Okay, this is not the first washing machine that I'm demolishing, but it does not matter. Let's take this last one from here and again use some extra violence. And then the thing that we need to do is to lift the machine upwards with this kind of a system until we get it out from this metal box. Isn't she beautiful? And now just kick away the things that are not required anymore. Kick away the things you don't need. Throw away the teacher cause she's getting pretty old. This is just the game of life VAWT. Okay, how shall that be used? Of course, the way that putting it on top here. No, it's not the correct way. I have those stupid and heavy balancing parts still in place, so they need to be taken away. Okay, let's take this camera backwards a little bit. Whew. The next thing is to take these balance metal parts away. Okay, and how to remove those extra weight things? We need to use 10mm socket. How about loading the battery? No, it's not required. An old drill machine. It's an old one. I'm not able to use. Oh, there was this pulsing. And the last one. I think I need to charge the battery a little bit. Okay. And then, what to do with these? Counterbalance. Oh, how shit they are heavy. That's the way. So now that we have this other half of this plastic package away, we can turn this again around. And now let's be careful, because we need to tap away this this other part of this drum, and how to remove it. That should be, oh, it's too, I have always this problem. I have too big. Aina sama ongelma. Mulla on liian iso.